Welcome to Tech Repair Solution. Today I'm going to show how to restore the original display true tone from the phone if your screen is broken or does not have the original display. What you need to do this job, you need a computer and Jcid programmer machine, and you need also Jcid repair tools. This is my new repair phone. I just changed the screen. See, I'm checking that there is no two tone. We need a Jcid program machine which we will use for it. I am now on the computer screen. I open the Jcid repair tools. After opening the tools, click on repair fitting. And now I need to connect the Jcid programmer machine. When you connect the Jcid programmer to the computer, then you see the connection button appear on the Jcid repair tools. We need to click on the connect button. Then this option will be appear. Now we need to select our phone model here. Now click the fix touchstone button from the right side menu. When we click on this button, a new window is open here. Here we have no phone connection right now with our computer. That's why here you can see please connect the phone. Now I connect the phone. When you connect the phone with the computer, you have to give authorization. Simply choose this trust option. Now we can see here there is one unique number. Actually we need this unique number that we get from our phone. Now we need this screen to write a unique number. Simply I switch off the phone and disconnect the battery. Now I connect screen to the Jcid programmer machine. Make sure your display is connected to this programmer machine. Here you can see his screen is connected. Now go back to the computer again and click on the button fix touchstone. You have to wait few seconds, 20 or 30 seconds maybe, for write this code on your screen. Is now on processing. Yes, touchstone display is fixed. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to be check. You can see now this unique code is appear on your screen programmer machine. Now I'm going to be back to check. Yeah, it's appear here. Touchstone has fixed. Yeah, it's working fine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.